Alright, welcome back to Dank Scott Traders Hub. Yes, now we are here for the BTC analysis. Hope you guys are good. Let's now get into BTC. As usual, you know the drill. Let's get into it. Alright, so the last time we saw BTC, we were looking at price getting to that fair value gap. It did not mitigate it. I don't know if it mitigated the one on the weekly time frame. Not really. So it did not mitigate that fair value gap on the weekly, but I think it came to that OB. It came to that OB on H4. So it reacted to that OB on H4 and gave us the sell to continue. So whatever we wanted here was actually to get back into the buy to at least grab that liquidity on that fair value gap, but we never saw that happen. So apparently we are continuing with the sales just like we had anticipated previously on the general structure. Looking at daily time frame, we wanted this move, then pull back there, grab the liquidity, and then continue the sales. So the pullback here did not go as far as we had anticipated, but rather it actually retested just after this breakout and then continued with the sell. So all this now is no longer necessary. This sell that is on right there is supposed to be coming like this sell right here is gonna be anticipated to go all the way to that level. Which level? 90k, around 94k there. That's where we are anticipating this this price of BTC to head all the way to. So having seen this, I want to remind you that on the weekly time frame, now we sort of have a change of character right there. That would be our change of character, which will be a reversal signal. This week started as a strong sell move or week, and we clearly see that price is consistently following that as we had anticipated. So I'm gonna first remove this. This is sort of a weekly kind of analysis, price to get us all the way down below, but please have this marked because I'm gonna delete it to make my chart a bit clean, and even this is going to be dealt with. And now that change of character, remove it. Even this now, this channel, this flag right here, we already see that it's gonna push us all the way back. To keep us into the sell trend or the downtrend. So H4, daily time frame, it's oversold, but clearly we see that price has reached that support kind of level. Yeah, it's a support both on daily time frame and weekly time frame. If we look at H4, then we see the price is sort of giving us that rejection right about there. There's a rejection happening right here. So if price breaks it, then we are going to see continuation of this to come to this TP level. To come to this TP level where we have already marked that. So this will be the TP level right here. And already we are seeing that is a weak low, meaning price is likely to break it and to continue looking for a new lower low according to H4. We have several breakout structures. These were internal breakout structures. Now the external breakout structure that is considered is that one there, when price broke that level to give us a new lower low. Now it has given us a lower high, and you can see clearly the price is still below our 10 MA, meaning sales are still very strong and they are pushing for this move to reach all the way here. But does that mean we have an entry? I believe we don't, because clearly this market is quite something. Where it is, it's something that you don't want to find yourself, trying to force a trade. So you rather leave this asset alone until it breaks out here, then you can go in for the sell, or you look at scalping it probably when it goes back up there, and then you can bring it down below for that kind of a sell. But until then, this is a no-go for us to look at sells unless it gives us a pullback right about there, because according to H1 you clearly see that it is still looking for that kind of a move. According to H1, same as M15, it will be looking for something like that. So you need to know that and be ready when it happens, so that you can come in with your sells at any time. So this sell is gonna come around. Why? Because here we see a change of character, which means it has to give us a pullback probably to this OB right here, probably to that OB right there, and then we get in with our sells to push us all the way down to break this current lower low at H4 right about there. So once we break that, then we'll be in clear for that sell to continue and at least hit that TP, or come to even this support level, which is at weekly time frame, Actually, it's not even an order block, it's a fair value gap. It can easily come grab this fair value gap right here, and then we get in with the buys from this very fair value gap. So be notified of that. Be sure to mark this, because this is a crucial fair value gap. Like I've always showed you in previous data that we have, that price has always reacted to fair value gaps on weekly and daily time frame. For instance, this was a fair value gap on weekly time frame. You can see what happened there, and then price boom gave us moved from that level to give us a new higher high right there. We tested, gave us a new and currently our all-time high. Same thing right here. This is a fair value gap, as you can see, weekly fair value gap right about there. Price came, reacted to it, and boom, started to push us. That was last year, and started to push us into the buy to give us this previous all-time high. So price has always reacted to such levels on weekly time frame. It looks for fair value gaps to mitigate that liquidity that is left on those levels, and then gives us continuation of an uptrend. So currently we will be anticipating the same thing right here, because clearly you can see it is the only fair value gap left right about here that is not mitigated. Yes, there are order blocks, but most of the times we've seen BTC price reacting to fair value gaps than OBs, than order blocks. So this is a very high, a very significant level that we cannot just overlook, and we have to just keep watch and wait for it to be mitigated. Once it is mitigated, then you'll be anticipating new highs. You'll be anticipating an uptrend to probably look for a new higher high. You clearly see the curve. I tried to show you this. You clearly see the curve of this move of what the market has been doing since when. You can see that, you can see the curve. This is a line there, so price is going to be coming to this very level, at least to grab liquidity right here on this fair value, and then we can get in with the buy moves. Alright, so I think that's basically it. According to weekly time frame and daily time frame, we've seen that. So if we are to enter, we who are intraday traders, or who are day traders, we will be looking for a pullback here according to M15 and M5. Yes, so when M5 is ready to give us a signal or a reversal signal, then we will be ready to make this pullback move that will be mitigating some liquidity, or some liquidity which is for the early sellers around here. The stop losses of the early sellers will be around there to make that liquidity move, liquidity grab move, and then we come in with our sales anytime from now. So today, before the day ends, we'll be seeing this buy move coming in around M15 and M5. It's where we'll be looking at making this entry. Hopefully M5, when it gives us a reversal signal. Of course, you know guys what we always mean by reversal signal. Once we have that, then we are in. We will be in for that significant buy move to grab that liquidity above there. All right, I believe that's it. Hope you guys had a great time. Remember to always subscribe if it is your first time here. Those who will watch this later, remember always to subscribe, and of course always to hit the bell button to allow notifications for any live streams and videos that I post here to be reflected on your end, so that you don't miss anything. And of course, if you subscribe, it helps us to keep doing what we're doing for free, as we keep bringing this information to you, analyzing together. And of course, comment section is there. If you have any queries, if you have any challenges, if you have any questions you have in the chats, you can always jot them down in the comment section and I'll be able to respond to them. Alright, I think that's it. I wish you guys a good day. Remember that Monday to Friday we always have analysis, BTC, synthetic index analysis or forex analysis. So we analyze assets like Crash 500, Boom 1000, Boom 500, B25S, V75, and of course Jump 50, Jump 15, Jump 25. All these assets we always analyze them, but also we analyze gold. Gold is one of the assets we added as forex lovers. We had to add in that gold so that we can also capture the forex guys. So all the commodity, whatever you want to call it, I love gold, trading it, and you guys, I believe most of you guys already trade gold, so you can always check us out every day, Monday to Friday, for this analysis, 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. East African time, and be able to get a market insight of what is happening. See you guys, bye bye for now, till Monday.